Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, you will need to grab a cable and you want to plug it into your computer and connect it to your device. When it pops up with the access to phone data, you can just ignore it. Next, you want to turn off your phone. And when the screen turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. In a moment, we should see the Samsung logo show up on the screen, and after just like one more second, it will appear with the Galaxy under that, at which point you want to let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. Now, if nothing shows up after like 5 seconds of holding these buttons, let go of them and start holding them again. Come on, Samsung. That's interesting. So I literally just booted into recovery mode a moment ago, and now for some reason doesn't want to do that anymore. Okay, there we go. As you can see, the Galaxy shows up. You want to let go of the power button, and this will then take us to recovery mode. Not sure why it didn't want to go right away. Maybe I just wasn't holding the button correctly, whatever. But in any case, once you have this menu open, the screen, you'll need to use volume buttons to navigate, and with that in mind, just press power button or volume down a couple times till you have the wipe cache partition selected, and then confirm it with the power button and select yes, and it's finished. At the bottom you can see cache wipe complete, and reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once more to get back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.